Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be recreating another Nicki look. As you can tell, I am a huge fan, but this is one of my favorite vampy looks that I've ever done, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off like always with my base, priming my face, eyes, and also moisturizing my lips. Now, if you want your makeup to look flawless, then you absolutely have to start with your skin, making sure it's been cleansed, well moisturized, and your SPF has been applied. Next, apply your favorite primer. All the products I used will be listed down below. Now, going in with a full coverage foundation and applying that all over the face, down to the neck, and even down to the chest if that's going to be exposed as well. Going in with some concealer under the eyes and in the T-zone to help brighten those areas up, then blending with a sponge, but also with a brush to get those hard to reach places that the sponge can't get. Apply powder to all the areas you've concealed. I went heavy on the powder today to get a more sculpted look. Moving on to the brows, we're going to let our powder sit and bake on our face for a little bit until we're done with the brows, and we'll go in and blend it out after. Bringing some life back into our face, we're going to go in with some bronzer and apply it to our forehead, cheeks, and down the neck and chest. Make sure you blend, 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 girl. Now apply a bronzer shade to your crease and bring that contour down to the nose as well. Don't worry if it looks harsh or crazy at the moment, it will all come together in the end. Go in with a baby pink blush and back to the eyes it is. Apply a light cool gray with a small pointed brush to the same area you applied the bronzer, but you want to apply the eyeshadow a little bit above the crease towards the end of the eye to get the right eye shape for this look. And go in with a smaller pointed brush and a darker cool gray and apply this to the crease as well, keeping the shadow line thinner than the rest. Now, take a flat concealer brush and instead of cutting the crease with concealer, I'm just going to go in with a very light nude shade to trace out the crease as I would normally with a concealer, but this is going to look a bit more natural and smoky. Once you have the right eye shape, apply a white eyeshadow to the same area to brighten up the eyes even more. Moving on to eyeliner, keep it thin on the lash line and create a wing going upward at the end. Now that we've completed the eyeshadow, you're going to want to go in and carve out your brows with concealer, and you're going to want to blend that out as well. Also, apply concealer to the inner eye to clean up the shape of the shadow if necessary. I'm so excited it's coming together and it's looking so good. Now taking a shimmery white, apply that to the inner corner. And you guys, I know my hair was looking so crazy and so frizzy. I actually brushed it and hairsprayed it and styled it before this video, but I don't know what happened. I tried to brush it out again, but that really didn't help, to be honest. Okay, now for the fun part. we're going to go ahead and apply glue to your lashes. I use the Duo Latex Free formula, and I already pre-cut my lashes beforehand just to save some time. I'll also be using only outer corner lashes for this look to further create the cat eye effect. Go ahead and curl your lashes while you let the first layer of glue dry. And apply a black eyeliner to the upper waterline to make sure the lashes and liner look well blended. Apply another coat of glue for extra strong hold. And go ahead and apply your mascara while that layer dries. Apply your lashes and play around with them once they're on to make sure they're blended with the real ones and it's adding to the look. And you guys, I didn't have a black lip liner, so I just used the black eyeliner that I had used earlier. Don't worry, I did disinfect it and applied it to the lips. I also noticed a green tint to her lips and also a little bit of glitter, so I just used the closest thing I could find and focused that towards the inside of the lips. Now applying some clear gloss to my hand and using a brush to apply it to the lips so I don't get the black lipstick all in my clear lip gloss. And that seriously brought the lips to life and made it look a little bit more like the photo. Now, it didn't look like she had any highlight on her face, but her skin overall was looking super glowy, so I decided to apply some highlighter to my chest, which then turned into my shoulders, and finally I just grabbed a big brush and put it everywhere, because why the hell not? You guys, just have fun with it. Makeup is supposed to be fun, and I do really love how this look came out. This is the finished look. I hope that it was easy to follow for you guys, and if you try it out, please let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!